How to turn on dark mode on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Twitter. And if at the end of this video guys you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing to do is open up your Twitter. Now from there, go ahead and click on your profile picture here. Then click on settings and support. Click on settings and privacy. Now from there guys, scroll up and get to accessibility, display and languages. Click on it. Then from here guys, go ahead and click on display. When you click on display, it will bring you to this page. Then go ahead and click on dark mode. So now open this page for you. You can see if you want to turn it on, just go ahead and click on this. Then you can see the changes. You can see the dark mode has been changed. So guys, that is how to turn on dark mode on Twitter. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.